Hi there, once again, welcome to this channel. And this is a video which is part of series in which we are learning HTML and CSS. And from this video on, we are going to learn about advanced CSS topics as we have covered the basics of CSS. And in this advanced, we would learn about some advanced tags, some advanced properties, advanced topics like responsiveness of our pages and the animations inside our pages, etc. So in this video we are going to learn about CSS border images. So actually in CSS we can use a sort of image as well to set or to specify our border around our element, like a typical border in which we just use a line or a different style of line like dashed or a solid line to make the border of our element. And by using this property, which is border image property, we can set an image to an element as its border. So it allows to specify us an image as border of an element rather than a normal border. So this property, border image property, actually contains three parts, and those three parts are the border image, which is the first property, and this will contain the relative path to or relative or absolute path to the image that we are wanting to use as border of our element. And the second property is the slice image, and this slice property tells our CSS that in what way do we want our image to be sliced to set as a border. So you would get its idea better in our upcoming example. So the third value it gets is whether you want to repeat the image or you want to stretch the image. So how does it actually work? Actually, the border image property takes an image that we have given inside our first value, and it slices it into 9 sections like inside a tic-tac-toe board, and it uses the corner parts of that image as corners of border of our element, and the middle sections as the middle sections of the borders. Like if we wanted to repeat, then it would repeat them, and if we want them to stretch, then it would stretch it. So there is a prerequisite for using border image, and for using border image property we need to specify the border property before using it as well. Right here, let us talk about our example of one type, which is repeated border image. As you can see in this example below, that our image has been cut into 9 sections, and the border sections are used as corners. So let me show you that image first, which we have used for border. So inside our asset folder we have an image which is border image, and this is the image that we are using for this is the image. If you see it, this is the image for our border that we are going to use. It has these 8 boxes, and the border image property would cut it into 9 sections like this. And this image is actually transparent, it has no background. So this is that image. It is repeating the middle parts for the border, as we have given the third property as round right here. Round means repeated, and this 30 is for slice values. Let us see it inside our editor. So this is our file for today's lesson number 33. You can get its description and all the other you can get its link and all the other study material. Their links would be in description. So inside our body, let us create a div element and give it this is border image. So right here, if I inside our style, internal style, I use this div to style it and give it the border. So specifying this border property is really important. Border 10% solid black if we give it. Okay, then after it I give it padding of 15 pixels. And now this is the main property, which is border image, and in this we would give it the link to our file, which is the relative link to our file, which is in assets folder, and in this file is having the name of border image.png. And next we will give it the slice value, which is 30, and after this comes the main part, which is the round or stretch. We want it to repeat, so we would give it round here. So let us go to browser and see how does this markup look now. So as you can see, this is the same, and it is looking the same way as we just see it inside our browser, inside our example actually. So this is the repeated image border, and this is the stretched image border. The only difference is that in border image we have gave the third value as stretch. So if I write here, if I just keep it this way, so that when you get this file from our description, you can use this as your reference. So inside this round, rather than this round, I give it the stretch. And right here you can see the middle part of this image is stretching to get to complete width or height of this image's border. So this was it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.